to shoot down through the neck of a beer bottle and shoot the back out with an arrow and a slingshot. I don't know if it's ever been done, but we're gonna give it a try. Let's go get it done. Iron to the left. Iron to the left.
You kill a deer with those?
Straight on and to the right. So close. Oh, this is gonna happen. I just gotta make it happen. Whew.
Get here and hit the bottle.
Yeah, I know, it was close.
You're pretty consistent though.
Yeah, I gotta bring it down just a little bit. I need as big an opening as I can get though, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. There it is! Woo-hoo-hoo! 4 tries! Woo! Unbelievable! Oh yeah! Oh, bring the camera here! You got to see this! Oh, this is unbelievable. There's no doubt this time that the arrow went completely through. There it is. With a slingshot. Unbelievable. It was amazing. I don't even know what to say on that one. That was crazy good. All right, man, let's go watch the footage.